Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust steering in your I10. First, locate the adjustment lever. It's typically found directly beneath the steering column, near the floor. Make sure your I10 is safely parked and the engine is off before you begin. This lever is designed to control both the up and down tilt and the in and out telescopic movement of your steering wheel, giving you full control over your driving comfort. Once you've located the lever, gently pull it downwards. This action unlocks the steering column, allowing it to move freely. Now, you can easily adjust the steering wheel's height by moving it up or down. Simultaneously, you can pull the wheel closer to you or push it further away, finding that perfect ergonomic position for your arms and posture. Take your time to get it just right. After you've found your ideal steering wheel position, it's crucial to lock it firmly in place. While holding the steering wheel exactly where you want it, push the adjustment lever back upwards until it clicks. This action secures the column, preventing any unwanted movement during your drive. Always give the wheel a gentle tug to confirm it's locked before starting your journey, ensuring your safety and comfort. Adjusting your I10 steering wheel isn't just about comfort, it significantly enhances your driving experience. A properly positioned wheel improves your posture, reduces strain on your arms and shoulders, and gives you better control of the vehicle. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially on longer drives, ensuring better visibility of your dashboard and the road ahead. Enjoy a more comfortable and safer ride.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.